Have you ever wondered if a single word could completely change your life? A word that, when spoken, not only vibrates through space but also connects you to the energy of universal prosperity. Imagine this: you're living your life, just one step away from everything you've ever dreamed of. All your desires, wealth, freedom, success are right there, waiting for you to reach out. But what if you're unknowingly blocking your path because you don't understand the power of your own words? Today, I'm going to share with you an ancient secret. A word rooted in the Aramaic language, carrying the highest vibrational energy of the universe. A word that doesn't just bring peace but also opens the doors to infinite prosperity. If you're seeking a way to transform your life and walk this path, stay with me. Because this story will change the way you see everything. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming discoveries. What you'll learn in this video: the profound vibrational energy of words. How the Aramaic word Schl can tune your energy to abundance. Practical steps to incorporate this transformative practice into your daily life. Inspiring stories and actionable insights to start your journey toward prosperity today. Start speaking abundance into existence with Schl. Try this practice for 21 days and witness the extraordinary changes in your life. Understanding the power of words. Words are far more than just sounds. They are powerful energetic currents that ripple across the universe. Each word we utter carries within it a vibration that can affect not only our environment but also our very being. Throughout history, ancient sages, philosophers, and spiritual leaders have known this deep truth: words are not just tools for communication. They are instruments for creation. In the ancient Aramaic language, for instance, every word is thought to be intrinsically connected to the universe's fabric of energy. Words, in this tradition, are not mere fleeting sounds, they are energetic seeds we plant in the fertile ground of the cosmos. This is why Aramaic words, spoken with reverence and intention, have been said to hold the power to align individuals with the flow of prosperity and cosmic balance. Illustrative story. Consider the story of a Tibetan monk, living in the remote mountains, who used the sacred word Schl as part of his daily meditation. Despite living in extreme poverty, this monk would repeat the word Schl with deep focus and reverence, aligning his inner being with peace. Over time, his life began to change in extraordinary ways. Food, financial assistance, and unexpected blessings flowed toward him, as though the universe itself was responding to his commitment to this word. He was not just calling for peace, he was aligning himself with the abundant, ever-present flow of universal energy. The word Schl and how to use it. So, what is this word, Schl? It's an ancient Aramaic term, often translated as peace. But its meaning transcends the ordinary. Schl is not merely the absence of conflict, it is the presence of something far deeper, an energetic harmony with the cosmos. A state of alignment that invites abundance into your life. When spoken with clarity, intention, and reverence, Schl vibrates at a frequency that connects you to the flow of universal abundance, helping to align your mind and spirit with a higher frequency of prosperity. Practical steps. 1. Preparation. Begin by finding a space where you can be fully present, quiet, comfortable, free from distractions. It could be a peaceful corner in your home or a nature spot that brings you calm. 2. Visualization. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Picture your life filled with abundance. Visualize your dream home, your ideal career, travels to places you've only imagined. See yourself thriving, experiencing all that you desire and deserve. 3. Repetition. Now, gently repeat the word school in a calm and deliberate manner. Feel the vibration of the sound, imagine its energy spreading outward like golden light filling your entire being. Allow it to resonate deeply within. Repeat it daily, in the morning as you wake up and at night before sleep. With each repetition, feel the power of the word anchoring you in a state of peace and abundance. Transforming your mindset and key takeaways. As you continue this practice, something truly profound begins to happen. The shift starts not in your external circumstances, but in your internal world. The vibration of school gradually begins to rewire your mindset from a state of fear and scarcity to one of abundant possibility. You may not see immediate physical results, and that's okay. Manifestation, after all, isn't always a dramatic, instantaneous event. Sometimes, it happens in subtle ways, an opportunity you never expected. A new idea that leads to creative breakthroughs, or a chance encounter with someone who will play a key role in your life. Take my friend, for example. For years, he struggled financially, feeling trapped in a cycle of lack. After he began practicing school, something shifted within him. He no longer saw money as a scarce resource, but as a flow and energy that he could tap into through conscious alignment. Within a few months, he was offered a job that not only doubled his income, but also brought him fulfillment and purpose. What changed? His mindset. His belief in abundance, coupled with his consistent practice of the word school, allowed him to transform his reality. He had tapped into the deeper flow of prosperity. Key takeaways. 1. Words as energy. Every word carries a vibrational frequency that impacts your reality. Speak with intention. 2. Align with abundance. School isn't just a word, it's a frequency that opens you to the flow of prosperity. 3. Consistency is key. Manifestation is a process. Continue to align your thoughts, words, and actions with abundance, and watch how your life transforms. The energy of the universe is ready to flow into your life. All it takes is the right words spoken with intention, and an openness to receive. Now, you know the power of the word school and how it can transform your life. But this is only the beginning. Remember, transformation doesn't come just from saying the word. It comes from belief, intention, and persistence. I challenge you, use the word school every day for 21 days and observe the changes in your life. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe to Wisdom in Buddhism, and share this video with someone you care about. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue uncovering spiritual secrets that can transform your life. Thank you for watching, and may you have a peaceful and abundant day.